Hey y'all. Hey y'all. It's your girl Sharaerae and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. How you doing today? So y'all here, right? Today I'm reviewing my sister's hair butter. Yeah, this cute. You know what I'm saying? So let me open it. Uh-oh. I used a little bit of it already, you see. So this is what mine looks like. And I'm gonna put a picture of what yours will look like when you purchase one. Yeah, this is what yours will look like. Now, mine look like this because we were trying to get some food, you know? Yeah. But you can still use it. 100% natural. That is correct. You heard me right. 100% natural. Y'all see this? It's put the ingredients right here. As you can tell, I just washed my hair. Oh, look at how this thing look. I'm gonna do a braid out using this. She also has this aloe and neem growth oil. Yeah, I used a little bit of this already too. Y'all should go check her out. She got more stuff on her website. Put it right here. Put it up here. All that. Go check her out. Y'all seen that I got colors? I got blue on the top. And I got red on the bottom. They finally gave me colors at the orthodontist. After like almost a year. But she pull out that box. And I was like, okay. I got colors. Alright, let's get started. So I did my part like that because I'm trying to stop doing a middle part so often because I always do a middle part. But the middle part just looked good. It looked better than any other part. At least that's what I think. Yeah. And I like to use this brush when I detangle my hair. Like, I know that it's wet already, but it can be a little bit more wet. This is what it looks like on my hand. Am I even gonna have enough storage for this? Y'all, my phone trying to tell me I don't have enough storage for my pictures and stuff, but I only use like half of my iCloud storage, and that does not make sense to me. Ooh, I think I did this pretty good. Anyways, so with the growth oil, or like just oil in general, I like to put it on the ends of my hair after I finish braiding it. So I take my fingers like this and I just put the oil on it like that. See if I can show y'all how I do it. I put it on there like that, and I take the end and I just go like that. I do it for like at least 2 of them at a time. Yeah, at least 2 at a time. And then I'll move on. Okay, so now that I am done, I'm just gonna put the oil on my scalp a little bit. I kind of did a lot. I didn't even mean to, but whatever. I'm gonna come back when I'm ready to take them out and just show y'all. I like this stuff though. I think this is really good. So see you soon. Okay, so this is the result of the braid out. Very cute. It was bigger than this earlier, but you know it's humid outside and stuff. So, but it's still cute. I like how the product makes my hair go by literally natural. Go do that.